Hope here. In this video I'm going to show you our stay home paint and frame box. Before we look at what's in the box, let's have a quick look at what you could achieve with just what's in this kit. Okay, so let's have a look at what's in the kit, and starting on this side, first of all you've got 6 of these MDF panels to paint on, and there's 2 of each size, what we call a mini golden, a small square and a small golden, 2 of each, and they are currently raw MDF, 3mm MDF. You've also got 3 of these little tester pieces which you can use as little mini palettes to test out colour mixing or anything like that. Sandpaper, you've got enough sandpaper for the whole project. After you've primed the panels you can use the sandpaper just between coats, and also when you're finishing the frames you'll be using the sandpaper. General purpose brush for priming the panels, and very useful for decorating the frames and for priming the frames. Okay, so you've now got a set of 8 art brushes, flats, rounds, and several of each at each size. Everything you need for painting the pictures, and also useful for finishing the frames. 250mm tube of acrylic gesso. This is different to the gesso we use in traditional frame finishing, but it's perfect for this project. Used for both priming the panels before painting on them and for priming the frames, and can be used in finishing the frames. So there's enough there for 2 coats of primer on everything, and leaving some left over for creating colours for finishing the frames. Roll of masking tape for use in finishing the frames. All the fittings you need for the frames, tape to do the back professionally, little bumpers for the wall, cord and D-rings. And your colours. So you've got white and 6 colours, 2 of each primary, a lemon yellow, a deep yellow, a green blue, a violet blue, and an orange red and a violet red. So all the colours there, out of which you can mix absolutely everything. So finally, the frames, well, instructions here, instructions, and on the other side some special offers. And the frames. So you've got 1 frame at each side, made out of FSC certified Obeche or IUS timber. As with everything we make the MDF, everything timber based is FSC certified. We are the only FSC certified bespoke picture framing business in the world. So mini golden frame, small square frame and small golden frame. Nice profile, as you've seen from the example images, giving you several zones to finish in different ways, and really giving you huge scope for your finished picture. Okay, that's about it. Read below for details how to order, and look out on this channel for further videos about painting, the paintings and finishing the frames. Thanks very much for watching.